In Jiangsu, we operate a dedicated manufacturing base for cooling towers. The facility spans several thousand square meters and is equipped with a complete production and quality control system. This is the core factory of BenYan cooling equipment. From raw materials to final assembly, every step is carried out under strict standards and inspection. We focus on the design and manufacturing of industrial cooling solutions, paying close attention to precision, safety, and long-term reliability. High-quality heat exchange tubing and reinforced structural components are welded and pressure tested to ensure consistent performance. Every unit that leaves our factory undergoes rigorous quality checks and is documented through a complete inspection record. Our standardized production process ensures stable quality and efficient delivery. Multiple units shipping out at the same time represent the trust our customers place in the BenYan brand. We provide efficient, energy-saving, and reliable cooling solutions for industries nationwide and beyond. We define quality through capability, and earn trust through professionalism. BenYan cooling equipment, built with care, engineered to perform.